All right, we have a very special guest in our studio. Landmark Cars has been in focus because of the strong FY26 growth numbers that they posted. In fact, just the Q4 numbers were record-breaking for the company. This was mostly driven by newer brands like MG, Mahindra, Kia and BYD, while Mercedes remained the top contributor. But we have Sanjay Thakker, chairman of Landmark Cars, joining in our studio. Sanjay, welcome. Great to have you here finally. We've been trying to make this happen for a while.
That's true. Thanks for having me, Tamanna.
Yeah. Okay. So tell us, let's start with the present and then we'll go a little back to the numbers, which are now seeming like they're in the rear view mirror. What has been the appetite? What has been the mood of customers? What has been the trend that you're seeing after this whole West Asia crisis, fuel price hikes, etc.? Are you seeing any impact, or because you deal in luxury and above, there is no impact at all?
So when we started the year and we started making our budgets in March, April, and by that time the war had started, and we really thought that the demand would be pretty subdued. That's exactly how we started the year, and we, my address to my team, we set up what we call BCTs, the budget control teams. We broke down all the expense heads and said that let's focus on expenses this year. The demand may not come the way we thought it would because of this war. And guess what? The demand is there. In fact, it's more than what we thought would be in the first 2 months of this year. But then it's good to be cost conscious and cutting costs irrespective. So this has happened. The other trend that we are seeing is that the fuel type, the demand for EVs is increasing. We have seen the numbers year on year, which is trending more towards the EVs. 21% of what we do, what we did in the last quarter was EVs. And I'm happy that we set up capacities for EVs